In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a customer transaction report in Dubsado. If you use Dubsado to manage your projects, invoices, and client payments, there may be times when you need a complete transaction report for a specific customer. This can be useful for bookkeeping, reconciling payments, or providing a detailed record to a client who wants to review their billing history. The good news is that Dubsado makes it easy to filter transactions and export them into a report that can be printed or shared. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Invoice, then choose Reporting. This section contains several reporting tools that help you review your business activity and financial records. Once you're in the reporting section, select Transactions. This page displays all of the transactions recorded across your Dubsado account, including payments from every project. Since the goal is to generate a report for just one customer, you'll need to narrow down the results using filters. Locate the Filters option and click on it to open the available filtering choices. From there, choose the Projects filter. Select the project that belongs to the customer whose transaction history you want to review. After selecting the correct project, click Apply Filters. Dubsado will immediately refresh the list and display only the transactions associated with that specific project, making it much easier to review the information without unrelated entries appearing in the report. After confirming that the filtered results are correct, look for the Export as CSV option. Click it to download the transaction data. Within a few moments, the file will be generated and opened, or saved, depending on your browser settings. Inside the spreadsheet, you'll see each transaction listed on its own row, making it easy to review payment activity, organize records, or prepare the information for printing. If your goal is to provide the report to a client, the exported file also makes it simple to review each transaction individually before sharing it. Because every payment is separated into its own line item, the report is clear, organized, and easy to understand. That's all there is to it. By using the reporting section, filtering the transactions by project, and exporting the results as a CSV file, you can quickly create a customer transaction report in Dubsado whenever you need one for accounting, record keeping, or client documentation.